Hello lovelies, welcome back. You want to see how I cook this ogbono soup? Keep watching. Here are my minced meat. I added onion, dried prawns, pepper, salt, powdered onion seasoning. I added my blended sweet pepper, blended crayfish. I'll give it a good mix and I'll cook it until it is very tender. So now I'll add in my stockfish and my cow skin. I will still cook it again for another time. So at this point everything is cooked. I added in my ogbono and oil that I microwave for 5 minutes. So I give it a good mix. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. So I will cook it on a high heat for 35 minutes. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification, be a member of this family. Feel free to check out my videos at that you might find helpful. So when you are cooking your ogbono soup, make sure you are there so that you will keep stirring, it doesn't get burnt. So here is it. I have cooked it for 35 minutes on a high heat with continuous stirring. I added in my vegetable spinach, I added in my okra. So I'll give it a good mix and I'll cook it for 2 minutes. So yes, after 2 minutes ready, you can pair it with anything of your choice. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.